right now. I got this. You wanted to know who I am?
What the hell are you talking about?
You'll see!
Meet Dr. Bruce Banner, a nuclear physicist with a passion for using his knowledge for gamma radiation for the greater good. However, his life takes a dramatic turn during a gamma bomb test when he saves teenager Rick Jones from the blast zone but is caught in the explosion himself. Instead of meeting his end, Banner's DNA is radically transformed by the gamma radiation, giving birth to the Hulk, a being of immense strength and raw power, triggered by Banner's anger and stress. Now Banner lives with the constant inner battle between his human intellect and uncontrollable force of the Hulk. In the rest of our video, we'll delve into the science behind the Hulk's incredible power, from his unmatched strength and rapid healing to the triggers of his transformation. We'll compare these fantastical abilities to the peak capabilities of the human body. Now let's kick it off with Hulk's strength.
Dr. Banner, now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Cap. I'm always angry.
The Hulk's strength is one of the most iconic attributes, especially unlimited and scaling with his anger. In the comics, he has performed staggering feats such as lifting a 150 billion ton mountain, stopping a celestial being's foot, and even breaking the time-space continuum with the force of his punches. Now let's do some human comparison. The strongest human, while impressive, operates within much narrower limits. The world record for the deadlift, one of the ultimate tests of the human strength, is held by Thor Bison, who lifted 501 kilograms, 1,104 pounds in 2020. This feat, while at the pinnacle of human capabilities, pales in comparison to the Hulk's feats of strength, demonstrating the vast difference between human and superhero abilities. Now let's look into the scientific basis. Muscle strength in humans is determined by factors like muscle fiber size, the efficiency of the nerves controlling the muscles, and the muscle's energy supply. Strength training induces microscopic damage to muscle fibers, which then repair and grow thicker. This process is regulated by satellite cells and hormones like testosterone. For Banner to transform into the Hulk and gain his supernatural strength, gamma radiation would theoretically need to alter his muscles' fiber composition, dramatically increase the size and efficiency of those fibers, and enhance the regenerative ability of satellite cells. Next, let's look at the healing factor.
Everybody out!
Going down!
I'm sorry.
The Hulk's healing factor allows him to recover from almost any injury almost immediately, from simple lacerations to wounds that would otherwise be fatal to humans. Now, looking at the human comparison, the fastest healing in humans occurs in the mouth or tongue, thanks to a rich blood supply and high concentration of immune cells. But it's nowhere near immediate or instantaneous. Severe injuries can take weeks to months to heal, and some damage, such as to the central nervous system, can be permanent. For the Hulk, gamma radiation would need to have fundamentally altered his stem cells, immune response, and cellular metabolism to allow for rapid, scar-free healing. Now let's get into transformation triggered by emotional stress. Banner transforms into the Hulk under emotional stress, particularly anger. This transformation is both rapid and dramatic, increasing his mass and density substantially in moments. In humans, the fight or flight response to stress involves the release of adrenaline, increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and energy availability. While it can temporarily enhance physical performance, the effect is nowhere near the scale of Banner's transformation into the Hulk. There is no human equivalent of such a drastic physical transformation triggered by stress. Gamma radiation might hypothetically create a unique link between Banner's adrenaline glands, which release adrenaline, and his DNA, triggering a physical transformation. This process could involve the rapid activation of genes controlling muscle growth, bone density, and metabolic processes, driven by supercharged fight-or-flight response. This would far exceed the body's natural response to adrenaline, involving complex, immediate biological changes across multiple systems. For Banner to transform into the Hulk, his muscle fibers would undergo rapid hypertrophy, which is increase in size, and hyperplasia, increase in number. This would not only require alteration in the muscle cell's genetic expression, but also in the satellite cells surrounding muscle fibers, enabling unprecedented growth within moments. Then bone density. To support his new muscle mass and use incredible strength without injury, the Hulk's skeletal structure would need to become extraordinarily dense. This could be achieved through an increase in bone-forming cell activity and changes in mineral composition of his bones. His metabolism would need to be capable of generating the chemical energy currency of the cell at an unprecedented rate to fuel his strength and healing. Now let's look at the implications of all this transformation on Banner's human form. The physiological toll of frequent and uncontrollable transformations could impact his mental health and cognitive functions. Then caloric intake. As Banner, the residual effects of his transformation would necessitate a significant higher caloric intake to replenish the energy spent during his time as the Hulk. The metabolic adaptation that allows the Hulk to function might leave Banner with an accelerated metabolism, leading to changes in maintaining his energy balance and nutritional needs. Well, there you have it, an exploration of if Hulk was real. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Let me know what superhero or character to cover next. Until next time, stay enthusiastic.